Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to tonight's video. We are ready to finally start putting the rest of the head together tonight. It's been like all week since I worked on it last, but mostly it was because I had other stuff to do for the tube front, and I needed Van's help to, well, pretty much put the top end on correctly and make sure I don't mess up the timing with the cams and stuff. So tonight he's here, Spencer's here, Derek's on his way. We're gonna get this thing going, and after this, I shouldn't have a whole lot left, just putting the accessories on, putting the manifolds on and everything. So we're gonna start with doing the upper oil pan first. All right, so I went ahead and cleaned this oil pan. It's pretty good, cleaned the block. I'm gonna go ahead and hit this with the RTV, and then we'll slap this on, let the RTV cure, and then we'll torque them down once we're done with the head. We went ahead and bled the lifters. One thing that's interesting is that this right here is a OEM SR lifter, and if you notice, it's got like a pretty big, tip right here, or the opening is kind of larger than these ones. It's kind of hard to tell because they're in the oil, but Van showed me how you bleed the OEM ones, where you get like a tiny little Allen and you put it in through this hole, and you can actually compress the hydraulic that's in there, and then you do this under the oil, and then you see the bubbles come out. The thing about these ones, we tried it and they wouldn't do it, and I realized, I looked them up, these are TOMEI solid lifters, so they're a little bit different than the OEM ones. I looked up how to bleed these ones, didn't find a ton of info, but when I did drop them in the oil, I did see bubbles come out, so I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that that's getting enough air out, and maybe they just don't need to be compressed like the OEM ones. So yeah, we'll see if they work. But now we're just gonna pretty much drop them right in here. I think we should put a little oil in there, right? Put a couple drops of oil so they're nice and lubricated, and then we'll drop them in, and then we're ready to pretty much throw the cams in. If you don't trust Alberto, who do you trust?
Listen to me, guys. Subscribe to the Drift Realm.
So if you guys missed the video about these, I don't know if I'm in this frame, but TOMEI 260 Pon Cams, brand new. we are done for the night. Everyone's gone. It's like midnight right now, but man, I'm stoked. Look at this thing. So we got, I think I need to check the footage, but somehow I may have not recorded the last clip of torquing these down. And I might have just taken a photo when I hit record. So if that is the case, what we just did was torque these down to 106 foot-pounds each. Torque spec calls for 101 to 116. Timing is all set. If we look here, the timing chain has the two links that are different colors. And so basically, if you look at the cam gear, it's got a timing mark right there. And here's the exhaust side timing mark right there. So you just line this timing mark with this link, this timing mark with this link. And then a couple of ways to tell that it's correct is basically there should be 20 rollers in between these timing marks, and there should be 11 links. So if we count the rollers starting with here, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Boom. So 20 rollers, 11 links. All right, everything is torqued down. Brand new, beautiful TOMEI 260 Pon Cams are in and torqued. And the lifters are in and hopefully bled. Everything else is done for right now. I also torqued the oil pan down. As far as kind of assembly, it's done. Next would be to start putting the accessories on. So I got the alternator, the power steering pump needs to go on, the brackets and all that. The turbo and exhaust manifold needs to go on. The intake manifold needs to go on. All the coolant lines underneath need to be done. That is going to be it for tonight, guys. I know a lot of this was just kind of time-lapse, kind of not on camera fully. I just wanted to get this done. It was late, and the friends had come to help. Big shout out to them, but you know, I didn't want to hold them all night. So hopefully you guys still enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you guys think that this thing looks cool, give this video a thumbs up. If you guys are excited to see this thing rip again. So, all right, I'm gonna leave it at that. Please don't forget to like, leave a comment, let me know what you think, and please hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. For now, good night.